Samsung's highly anticipated flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, has started to create a buzz months before its official reveal, expected in January 2025. With leaks and rumors circulating, we're now getting more details on what could be Samsung's most advanced smartphone yet. Thanks to own leaks, we've seen unofficial renders that gave us a glimpse of the S25 Ultra, but the latest reveal from China's 3C certification body has confirmed some exciting features that tech enthusiasts can look forward to. One of the most talked about features in the latest leaks is satellite connectivity. According to a filing spotted by renowned leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will support this feature, making it possible for users to contact emergency services even in areas without cellular connectivity. This technology is becoming increasingly common in high-end smartphones, and it appears that Samsung is now catching up. Both Apple and Google have already introduced satellite communication with their recent flagships, but Samsung is now set to bring this functionality to a wider global audience. Another detail confirmed by the 3C certification is the 45-watt charging support, similar to what we've seen in the current Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a notable difference in the charging specification this time. The S25 Ultra is listed with a 15-volt x 3 ampere charging rate instead of the 11-volt x 4.05 ampere specification of previous models. While the overall power remains at 45 watt, this change could indicate improvements in charging efficiency or heat management. Alongside satellite connectivity and enhanced charging specs, the 3C listing confirms that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G connectivity. No surprises there, as Samsung's Ultra models are known for their robust network support. Satellite connectivity was first introduced by Apple with the iPhone 14 series back in 2022, a groundbreaking feature that allowed users to get in touch with someone in emergency situations where traditional cell networks don't work. Following that, Google brought this feature to the Pixel 9, making it available outside of China for Android users. Now it seems that Samsung is gearing up to do the same with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While several Android phones in China already support satellite communication, Samsung's S25 Ultra could be the first of its lineup to offer the feature globally. This means more users around the world will have access to life-saving technology, especially when venturing into remote areas. For most users, satellite connectivity might not be a feature they use on a daily basis. After all, many of us live in urban areas where cellular networks are reliable. However, for adventurers, hikers, or those who frequently travel to remote locations, having satellite communication on hand could be a game changer. Another intriguing leak from Ice Universe hints at significantly improved video performance on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Unfortunately, there weren't any specific details or numbers provided, but this could mean better video stabilization, enhanced low-light performance, or higher quality video recording. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to debut alongside the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus in early 2025, most likely in January. And like being stranded in a remote location without cell service, it could be a lifesaver. As we approach the launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can expect even more leaks and rumors to surface. Samsung has always had a hard time keeping its upcoming devices under wraps, and this time is no different. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its satellite connectivity? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.